Anatomy of a computer. Desktop edition. First, what kind of computer do you have? This is a desktop computer. You can find the laptop anatomy tutorial in the video description below. A desktop computer sits atop a desk. A typical setup might look like this. In order, from left to right, is the printer, the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, and the modem. Let's break it down. This is the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, affectionately called the tower. This is technically the computer part of your computer. The tower can be turned on with a button on the face. Look for this symbol, a vertical line cutting the top half of a circle, and press the button down for several seconds until the computer logo appears on the screen. This is the monitor. It shows what is on the computer. This must be turned on separately. You can find the button in one of two places: on the bottom left or the bottom right. Not in the front? Check behind the screen. The keyboard and the mouse control the computer. The mouse controls where your cursor points on the monitor. It can sit to the right or the left of your computer. It has two buttons. Let's break it down. The left button. Pressing this performs a left click. Left click selects things on the monitor. Right button. Pressing this performs a right click. A right click opens a list for options. This is called a menu. Now, you're ready to explore. Helpful? Questions? Find more tutorials in the video description below, or visit us at www.accesstechnologiesinc.org.